In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group message in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're on the main dashboard. From there, look over to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. This is where you can access different parts of the platform, including your communication tools. Next, click on Conversations. This will take you into the area where you manage messages, chats, and contact communication. If you're planning to send a message to multiple people in one shared thread, this is the section you'll be working from. Once you're inside Conversations, click on the chat icon. This is the option used to begin a new message thread. After selecting it, look for the option that says Start a new conversation and click that to continue. This opens the setup for creating a brand new conversation instead of replying to an existing one. From here, choose Message Contacts. This tells Gohighlevel that you want to start a conversation with contacts in your account. At this point, you'll usually see a few different conversation types or messaging options depending on your setup. Now go to the field or drop-down that begins with I want to have a and use that menu to choose the kind of conversation you want to create. In this case, select Group Conversation. This is the key setting because it changes the message from a one-on-one conversation into a shared thread that includes multiple participants. After that, select the group phone number. This is the number the group conversation will be associated with, so make sure you choose the correct one for the account or team you're working in. If your workspace has multiple numbers, taking a second to confirm the right one here can help avoid confusion later. Once that's done, you're ready to start typing your message for the group. Enter your message clearly, keeping in mind that everyone included in the group conversation will be part of the same thread. It's a good idea to keep your wording simple and easy to understand, especially if the message is meant for several contacts at once. And that's it. You've now set up a group message in Gohighlevel by going into Conversations, starting a new conversation, choosing Message Contacts, switching the conversation type to Group Conversation, selecting the correct phone number, and then typing your message. If you follow those steps in order, creating a group conversation is quick and straightforward.